at 127 Sugar Hill. Really great piece of property here. We've got a double wide. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,200 square feet, all on one level. But what the great thing about this property is you've got 1.53 acres, so a football field and a half of property here. And you'll notice you've got what I call a carport here, and it's got 2 doors at the end, which there's storage area, or you could have a shop in there. You can lock those doors, so there's great, area there. If you look behind the house, we've got another storage, unit over here, and then another storage on this side of the property. So let's just say that you're in construction business. This is unrestricted land. There's a lot of property around the outside that you could park equipment, things of that nature. And again, you've got 1.53 acres of property, unrestricted land. We're in Seneca, so very close to Lake Kiwi access. We're very close to the hospital, literally 10-15 minutes from Home Depot, all those kind of places. So we got a great property here. There's a lot of driveway, concrete area for parking here as well. So maybe you would look at it as an investment property to rent it out. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. So let's head on inside. We'll check out the layout. We'll walk over here, check out the carport area with the storage areas, and then the building over here in the back. And then we'll talk about where this property goes, because it starts, if you look at my vehicle up here, you'll see up there where my vehicle is, it starts from there, and then it comes all the way back over to this side on the other side to the top of the driveway there. Actually, the pin's across the street, but the pin is up in that area. So, and then on the back side, it actually goes, as you can see, there's Fringe Branch Road on the back side. It actually goes all the way back and fronts that road as well. So there's a lot of property back there, and we'll get to that here after we go through the house. All right, come in, what you'd expect. We got a large living room area here, kind of living dining, because you can put a table over in this area for dining. And then access, we've got a large covered deck on the back side of the property here. Let's walk out here for a bit. As we said, large area, partially covered, so great place for a grill. And a lot of privacy on the back side. Again, we talked about all the different proper land area that you have. The lot goes, as you can see, all the way over to that cleared area. There's a pin back in this corner, and then that pin angles over to Fringe Branch Road and goes all the way over there. So this property does go all the way back, and then you've got a large storage unit. We'll walk down there in a minute, and it's in great condition. And again, all this lower property down here is all part of this property as well. So a lot of usable land out there. I mean, whether you do a fire pit, maybe make a place to have a horseshoe area, whatever. And again, a ton of parking. So let's head back in the house. As we said, we got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is a split level. So we'll start with this side. We got kitchen area here. This is where you'd have the refrigerator, obviously. Got dishwasher, electric stove, built-in microwave. Area over here, you got a side entry coming in from the side, but we've also got the laundry area. Washer dryer would go there. Shower on that side. And come into what they would use, I would assume is the master bedroom. So you've got a walk-in closet here. They've got shelves already in there. Come on to the back bedrooms. Got first bedroom over here on the right. Again, closet. They got cedar closets, if you may have noticed. Those are in all 3 of the bedrooms. Ceiling fans in the bedrooms, carpet flooring. Again, on this side, you got the tub shower combo. The tile go to the back bedroom. Same thing, a bedroom with a cedar roof-lined closet. All right, let's head outside. We're going to walk into the carport area and in the storage building over here. And again, the storage building on this side is locked right now, so we can't access it, but it's basically bigger. It's a little bit bigger than this one, actually, so you got a lot of storage space out here. So let's head on over here and check this out first. Carport area, you'll see here they've got access to some more storage above this. Just need a ladder to get up there, and then come in here again. This is set up kind of as a shop. Great place for all your tools. Cabinets already in here, and same kind of thing in here. We've got shelving in here, but a lot of storage area as well. So, all right, let's head to the storage building in the back. I didn't mention the basketball goal too, but nice basketball area here as well. I'd clean all that up too. Got a nice area down there. Maybe create a nice fire pit area. Come on in here. Again, the store's in great shape. Probably need a light bulb. All right, so this gives you a good idea of what you got. So if you've got any interest, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video, give you a good idea where we're located. Look at this beautiful oak tree back here in the corner. So nice as well.